guys, it's me, Cate, whoop whoop, and my friend Grace. She's from Virginia. We don't get to see each other that much, and we're just kind of hanging out. Yeah, I'm only 10, and I can burp pretty loud, so I'm gonna burp for you guys. So whoop whoop. I'm a llama. Yeah, I'm the llama queen. Llama queen. Yeah. Here's my burp. I can also burp names. Grace, do you want me to burp your name? Yeah. Grace. Oh, I know. Oh my gosh, that didn't sound like a burp, but it was a burp. Okay, here's another burp. I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to burp. See how it goes. Okay, that's my last burp.
Now it's my turn.
Fine.
Hey, I'm gonna burp.
Okay, just burp already. Okay, that's good. Give a round of applause.